A must-have construction tool for engineers. 42Q 3-phase motor plus double hydraulic motor. 200 meters deep hole depth. It's no problem to hit rock and soil. It's fully hydraulic, easy to operate. The sliding frame can be customized. For hydraulic legs provide stable support. The steel wire rubber track is wear resistant and non-slip. The machine is small and flexible. Whether it is a large construction site, it can be easily handled by garden photovoltaic drilling. We are a factory directly, with high quality and affordable. Don't hesitate. Leave a message quickly. Get this treasure drilling machine.